Hey, you idiots, what are you doing here? You're blocking my shot.
Get in the dang basement. It's coming this way. All right, drop it down.